Hello friends, welcome back to HalfTuber 81. Join me as I dive into the challenge of discovering what makes the golden penda so special. Let's see if I can uncover its secrets. The golden penda is a tree that truly stands out in the plant kingdom. Thanks to its vibrant yellow flowers that brighten up any landscape. Found primarily in tropical regions. This tree isn't just a pretty face. It plays a vital role in its ecosystem. Its presence supports a variety of wildlife, providing them with food and shelter. This ecological significance is a key part of what makes the golden penda so special. However, the golden penda faces significant challenges that threaten its growth and survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urban expansion has significantly reduced its natural habitats. This not only affects the tree itself, but also the diverse range of species that depend on it. Climate change further complicates these issues, altering rainfall patterns and increasing temperatures, which can lead to stress on the tree. These environmental changes make it difficult for the golden penda to thrive, and its populations are dwindling in many areas. Conservation efforts are essential to protect this tree and its habitats, ensuring that future generations can continue to benefit from its presence. Without proactive measures, the golden penda might become a rarity, losing its chance to play its vital role in the ecosystem. The impact of these challenges can't be overstated, as the loss of the golden penda would have a ripple effect throughout its ecosystem. Many species rely on it for food and shelter, and its disappearance could lead to a decline in biodiversity. This makes conservation efforts not just beneficial but necessary for maintaining the health of our planet. Beyond its challenges, the golden penda has some truly remarkable qualities. Its striking flowers are a sight to behold, making it a popular choice for ornamental gardens. But beyond its beauty, the golden penda offers significant ecological benefits. It acts as a pollinator attractor, drawing in bees and butterflies that help with the reproduction of other plants. This tree also holds a special place in the hearts of local cultures, often being used in traditional medicine and as a food source. Its versatility and utility have made it a valued resource for communities that live alongside it. The golden penda's role in supporting local wildlife and cultures underscores its importance beyond just being a pretty face. One of the most captivating facts about the golden penda is its importance to pollinators. The tree's flowers are a rich source of nectar, making it a haven for bees and butterflies. This not only aids in the pollination of the golden penda itself, but also supports the reproduction of other plants in its ecosystem. The golden penda's medicinal uses are another fascinating aspect of this tree. Various parts of the tree are used in traditional medicine to treat a range of ailments, highlighting its value beyond ecological roles. This combination of beauty, utility, and ecological importance makes the golden penda a truly remarkable tree. In addition to its ecological and medicinal benefits, the golden penda also plays a role in maintaining soil health. Its roots help to stabilize soil and prevent erosion, which is especially important in areas prone to landslides. This further emphasizes the tree's value in its native habitat. To wrap things up, the golden penda is a remarkable tree with its vibrant flowers, significant ecological benefits, and valuable role in local cultures. Its ability to attract pollinators, provide medicinal uses, and support soil health make it an invaluable part of its ecosystem. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on the golden penda in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about native plants and their importance, be sure to check out our video on the best native plants for your garden.